All right, today we're gonna be attempting to rebuild this cross. What is this cross shaft? Is that no throttle linkage cross shaft thing? And just pretend like it's connected right now. Basically, yesterday I was just gonna go in to sync the carbs again, just because I do that often, just because I still can't get it to run the way I want to. And I noticed as I was doing that, see all this play in here? There's supposed to be a clip right here. I lost it yesterday, but I bought a new one. But anyways, there's also going to be that movement from here to there. This also has play in it there. So today, I'm going to be attempting to see. I've got these like a nylon sleeve thingies, and I got another clip, but I'm gonna be trying to put some of those plastic sleeves in here to stiffen up this, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. And then once I get this thing rebuilt or whatever, well, I'll throw some nice paint on it. I don't know what color I want. Maybe we'll go for some red to add some horsepower. But after we've got that good, we're gonna go ahead and resync the carbs and see how much of a difference it made. All right, so taking a look at these plastic things I got, you can see they're like at an angle, and so I think I want to have it face like this and there, because it's kind of it's bigger on this side, and it narrows out on this side. And let's see, for over here, I'll have it like that too. I'll put it like in there, and then have that little clip kind of hold it back. And I'm probably just gonna have to cut these like probably just a slit, because there's no way I'm gonna be able to slide it on here, and so that's what I'll do right now. All right, so I have this little plastic piece right here between the clip. That gets rid of the side to side play. There's still a bit of up and down, but I mean, I can't really do anything about that. This one I got rid of all of the up and down play. One of the little plastic things, it came with 3. One of them, I literally got it like paper thin, and you can see it in there. If it'll focus. Yeah, you can see it, I got it right there, and I got another one right there just to get rid of that side to side play. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this cross shaft up now, paint it, maybe red, sporty. All right, I got all the old paint sanded off of it. Got it sanded down and clean. Now I'm just gonna paint it red. Plus 5 horsepower. I didn't think it looked that cool, but it's actually looking pretty cool. Alright, so I've got the cross shaft in now. Looks pretty cool. I'm just gonna go ahead and resync the carbs. Alright, so I took the carbs like 2 days back already, but just wanted to show y'all. See, I added these bushings in. There's absolutely no play in this now. No side to side or up and down. You see I have that thin little spacer plastic thing in there. Same on this side. It's sandwiched in between that full-size washer, and it's hard to tell, but it's in there. But now the problem I'm having is now the throttle kind of sticks sometimes. You see right there, it's sticking. So what I'm thinking I can do, I can probably go down to the hardware store or whatever, pick up another spring that's a bit stronger, so it pulls it back better. Or I could try shortening this one a bit. I think that's the first thing I'll do, and if that doesn't work, then we'll go to the store and get a new one. Alright, so I cut about that much off. Let's see if this helps. Okay, it's in. Let's see if it made a difference. Full throttle, let go. Oh, perfect. Nice. Alright, well, since I have that much gas in there now, I might as well start it. Let it warm up for a bit. Alright, so as you saw before, if I were to, you know, engage the throttle or whatever, it would hang. So let's see now. Yeah, perfect. Great. Well, I'm sure I'm happy with this. Now the carbs are gonna stay, you know, synchronized. It's not gonna go out of sync because it moves that much to the right or left, or it goes up and down, you know. Especially whenever you're giving it throttle, this is gonna ensure that they're both opening the same amount if you have them synchronized properly. But yeah, really happy with this. Sadly, I can't drive it around right now because the brakes are messed up. I'll throw in a little clip of what I mean. Well, just because I was there, I took off the what is it, the drum, and then the shoe, the braking material off the shoe fell off. So you know, that just gives you an idea for the condition of the rest of them. So these brakes are junk, and we're gonna check how junky they are. But yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Maybe if someone's got a sloppy throttle linkage cross shaft, they can do the same thing I did and see how it works for them. So thanks for watching.